I'm Angus Fletcher. I'm a professor at Ohio State University.
And I'm Paul Zach. I'm a professor at Claremont Graduate University and founder of Immersion Neuroscience. So today we had an amazing session, breakout session, in which we talked about trust as infrastructure. So I introduced the underlying neuroscience of trust, had people download an app that measures social connection neurologically, and then Angus did something very interesting.
So what I did is a simple exercise we learned from working with U.S. Army Special Operations about building trust in teams. And what we found is that the simplest, most effective way to build trust in a conversation is to ask the other person who, what, when, where, but not why.
And it went over beautifully. People got amazingly key moments, strong key moments neurologically. They connected to the people around them, and they learned how to develop trust quite rapidly.
It's extraordinary. We actually had two people have key moments during the session.
Which is amazing, neurologically. So that tells us that exercise really works, that the neuroscience does what it's supposed to do, which is help us connect to each other and thrive as social species.
And if you're wondering why you should do this, Paul taught me today that people who have these key moments add 3 years to their lifespan, and we also know from my research that you're less likely to get a divorce.
Win-win.